I've just been sent this little care package by a very popular CoinTuber and a very good friend of mine. And I was just wondering if you guys could actually guess who might have sent this to me. So go onto the comments now and have a guess which very popular CoinTuber you think might have sent me this parcel. And keep guessing throughout this video until I finally reveal who it is. Just keep guessing. So I'll give you a couple of clues to start off with. Well, first of all, he loves his stamps. And it looks like he takes a lot of care and time to choose which stamps to use and how the stamps are going to be laid out. And then over here on the address, instead of UK, he wrote England. Who could this be from? Hello and welcome back to another Coins to Collect video. Sorry about teasing you there. I just thought I'd have a little game with you. So I'll keep giving you clues to who might have sent this to me. And I want you to keep guessing. Treat this as a live stream and just keep throwing comments at it. So last week I did a coins in my pocket video and I went through an amazing collection of old round £1 coins and added them to my Change Checker album. Now this very generous CoinTuber has kindly sent me some more old round £1 coins to help finish my Change Checker album. So we've got a note. And this says, "Hi Trev from Coins to Collect. Here are some old pound coins you were needing and an alphabet 10p. Oh, thank you very much. From your favourite CoinTuber." Yes, and yes, since you sent me this lovely little package, you are definitely now my favourite CoinTuber. So, oh my God, thank you very much. You're very generous. There is a little bit more on this note, but I'm going to keep that secret for a little bit longer. So let's open this up. Now, this CoinTuber loves to use white tape. So this CoinTuber has actually recently done a video explaining how he packages coins when you're sending them for trades or if you're selling them. So if you've watched that video, you probably already know who has sent this. But we'll keep going, so keep guessing. Even if it's the same guess, just keep throwing guesses into the comments. Treat it as a live stream. It certainly does go to a lot of effort. Now, with it open up, let's get rid of this bit. This is amazing. I don't do half of this when I send stuff. Like I said, he loves to use white tape and he loves to wrap the coins in foil. You guys should have guessed it by now. You're more than likely subscribed to his channel. He is one of the best CoinTubers that there is. Okay, so let's have a little feel. I think that's a pound coin. That's a 10p. I think these are all pound coins. So we're going to do the pound coins first. Yeah, definitely a pound coin. And that one, let me double check this. Right, I had to go and double check using the Change Checker app. But this one is the Flax. I don't know what Flax is, but Flax and Shamrock. And the next one is, well, that's the Thistle, but let me just get the proper name for that. Alright, cool. That is the Thistle and Bluebell. Nice one. Right, what's the next one? How are your guesses going? I hope your comments are flooding in and you're guessing which CoinTuber sent me this parcel. And that one is quite obviously the Daffodil and the Leek, which is amazing. And this one, right, oh wow, this one is one that I've been chasing for a little while now, and every time I've tried to buy it I just keep getting beaten eBay. This one is the 1988 Crowned Shield. That one has been difficult to find. You don't see many of them for sale. When you do, you've got to step up and just chuck loads of money at it. But like I say, kept getting beaten on eBay, so I'm absolutely thrilled to finally have that one. Fantastic. So there's some 4 fantastic additions to my album. That's absolutely amazing. Thank you very much. No, I'm not going to say his name just yet. We'll keep you guessing. Keep chucking in those ideas. Keep having a guess. And now look, this is very... I'm going to leave it in the foil actually. That, it's quite nice in the foil, is the most amazing J for Jubilee. That's one of the 3 coins that I'm still missing from my A to Z 10p's to fill my Change Checker album. And that one is 2019 J for Jubilee, and I quite like it in the foil. It's quite cool. Very nice, very nice. Thank you very much. Let's reveal who that very generous, oh my god, very generous CoinTuber is. Like I say, I count him as one of my good friends now. We've been chatting in the background quite a lot, and I have actually met him at the Royal Mint experience the last time I went, so that sort of narrows it down for a couple of people if you've been paying attention and watching the videos. So, drum roll please. Here are some old pound coins you were needing and an alphabet 10p from your favourite CoinTuber, Andy at Coin Cupboard, and not Steve at Coin Closet. Thank you so much, Andy. I really do appreciate that. They're going to look amazing in my coin album. Give me a sec. I'm going to put them in my album and I'll be right back. So that's some very welcome additions to my album. I'm still missing the Flax, the Oak Tree, the Lion, the 4th Bridge, the Millennium Bridge, the Rose and Oak. I now have the Daffodil and Leek, the Thistle and Bluebell, and the Flax, and oh yeah, and of course the Crowned Shield. I'll put an updated list in the description for this video. If anyone out there has got some of the coins that I'm still missing, I would love to deal with you. I'd love to make some trades. Great, so let's just go right to the front. We'll do this J for Jubilee, and we're going to put that in there. A very nice welcome addition to my album. So now I'm just missing I for Ice Cream and Zebra Crossing. Fantastic. Now, one other thing that I forgot to tell you, I've just remembered myself. Let's go back to the pound coins. And one of the coins I was missing was the last round £1 coin, and that I did actually manage to find on eBay. So I've got this one in its Change Checker cardboard prison, and we're going to break that out and put that into my album. I know some of you don't like this bit, but it has to be done. This is stuck down very well. There we go. That is just a stunning coin. Like I say, I think it's just called the last round £1 coin. It's 2016, and again, like I say, that is an absolutely stunning coin. That is a great design. You got all 4 corners of the United Kingdom on that. Flip it over and just look at that, how shiny that is. What a great portrait of the Queen. That is amazing. So that goes in this little slot here. So now we have the last round £1 coin and the current dual metal coin, £1 coin, and hopefully they're going to start doing some commemorative designs for the pound coins. That would be, that'd be great. I'd love that. Thank you very much, Andy from Coin Cupboard, not Steve from Coin Closet. And I guess I owe you a pint at least for that, don't I? So, did you guess right? How early on did you actually guess that it was Andy? Let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed that little game. Sadly, there's no prizes. It was just a little bit of fun. So like I say, I hope you enjoyed that. Please go over to Andy's channel, Coin Cupboard. He's recently passed 1,000 subscribers, which is an amazing feat. I really hope I get there soon as well. With Andy's support and the support from you guys as well, I don't think it'd be too long before I reach that magic number as well. So if you did like this video and you're still not a subscriber, that's crazy. Why not? Go and do that right now for me, please. It really does help me out. Also, leave a like if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs down. It's cool, it's still audience engagement. Maybe put in the comments why you didn't like this video. What can I improve? If you hit that notification bell, you'll never miss another episode. But until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect.